Hi guys, so a while back I created this video on dramatic lighting, but here I actually used dark background and assumed that the sunlight is hitting the face with where there is a dark background. But this time around I want to show you guys how to actually create the similar kind of lighting, the dramatic lighting, but with lighter background, and what happens when the sunlight hits the face with the lighter background. So in this video, that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys. So without any further ado, let's just jump right in. Alright you guys, so this is the face that I'm going to be using to show you guys how to create dramatic lighting, and also the background as well. It's just gradient, a simple gradient. So to begin with, you want to create a new layer and you want to fill it with brown color like this. Now add clipping mask to the layer and change the layer mode to multiply like this, and I also added clipping mask so that it is just focused on the portrait itself and nothing else. And I also decrease the opacity of that layer. Now what you want to do, you want to pick up eraser and you want to erase the part where you want the sunlight to hit the face. So in this case, I am actually going half and half just to make it look really dramatic like that. But also you want to make sure that it's a little bit blended. So yeah, if you're a beginner, if you don't know how to blend with just using a brush, I will link all the videos down in the description, so go ahead and check that out as well. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're just erasing the parts where we want to add the sunlight like that, and it actually looks great already. So now what you want to do, you want to pick up blending tool, and we are going to be blending this all out. We don't want no harsh edges. So it's still looking quite harsh, but that's the whole point of creating dramatic lighting, is it's dramatic, it's harsh, okay? So you don't want to blend it all out. Now you want to alpha lock this layer, and you're going to want to pick this really bright orange color, and we are going to be spreading it out right around the edges where we erased. So wherever you have erased, whatever part is erased, just add this color around the edges of that, if that makes any sense, because when the sun hits the face, it kind of spreads out to the other part of your face where the light is not hitting. So if that is making any sense. So again, now we are going to pick up really bright yellow color, and we're going to make sure that this color sticks to the edge of that erased part. Again, we are creating this effect of sunlight here. Now you want to actually go ahead and add Gaussian blur to that layer to blend it out. If you want, you can pick up your blending tool and blend all of this out. Before you do that, make sure you are disabling alpha lock, or else it won't blend. Now create another layer, add clipping mask to it, and change the layer mode to soft light, and pick up this really bright yellow color and start adding this color on the other half of the face like this. Now this will represent sunlight. All right, so that's what we're doing here. Now obviously this is looking too much, so just go ahead and decrease the opacity. Now if the video is going too fast, just do what I'm doing right here, and you're gonna have the exact same results. There's like no much explanation. We're just trying to imitate or copy how sunlight hits the face and how it spreads out, also spreads out to the other part of the face. So we're just kind of trying to copy that. Now, as I said, I decreased the opacity because it was looking too much, and I also increased multiply layer opacity as well, just to increase the contrast. Now you want to create another layer, add clipping mask, change the layer mode to add, and we are picking up this blue, light blue kind of color and adding to the other side of the face, because light from the sky is also hitting the face. So we have to make sure we are adding that, and it also add a lot of dimension to the face. As you guys can see, it looks so good, it looks so three-dimensional. So that is why this is really important. And once you're happy, I actually went back and changed the layer mode from soft light to overlay, and I also increased multiplied layer opacity as well to make it look like this. It looks so good. So you can always play around with layer modes, but yeah, that's the one I chose. Now the similar process goes with other skin tones as well. The only thing different here is instead of using light blue color, we use really dark blue kind of color on the other side of the face. And also the layer mode here is going to be overlay for the sunlight. We actually used overlay for the fair skin tone as well, but here you are gonna wanna use that layer mode because it looks good. So that's how both of the faces are looking. And if this was confusing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down all the steps I have taken to create this down in the description so that you don't miss out on anything. But it's just that easy to actually create dramatic lighting on Procreate or any other software you can use. It's not software specific. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.